So hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Anggraini Sarasvati and my student number is 12450300194. So here I want to share a story about how my family and I celebrate Eid al-Fitr. And for us, Eid al-Fitr is not only about celebrating, but also a time to strengthen family relationship, share happiness, and live a meaningful tradition. So yeah, this is my story how I celebrate Eid. So a week before Eid, the atmosphere in our house has started to get crowded, and we are all busy cleaning the house, changing the curtain, and decorating the room to make it feel more festive. And usually, my mom also buys fresh flowers to put in the living room and flowers to go to the grave later. It feels like welcoming a special guest because Eid al-Fitr is indeed a very special moment, isn't it? So in the kitchen, we start to prepare Eid al-Fitr special dishes, and my family and I like to make ketupat together. And usually, my family doesn't make leaf for ketupat, but buys it. Because my mom say to keep it simple. And after the ketupat is ripe, the smell spreads throughout the house. It is really the typical Eid aroma. In addition, we cook chicken opor, rendang, and fried chili sauce, which is always a family favorite. And beside food, we also make 8 cakes. Nastar and a snow princess cake are always on the table. I really like how my mom makes cake, although sometimes the shape of the nastar I make it more like a ball than a pineapple. But yes, that's what makes the process exciting. The results are not always perfect, but full of stories. When Eid al-Fitr arrived, early in the morning, we were ready to pray at the mosque. It felt so warm to get together with neighbors and old friends sharing smile. And after the prayer was over, we went home to the Sungkeman tradition. I always feel sad when I apologize to my mom and my father, and this moment reminds me to always try to be a good, better person. And after that, we start to meet. And usually we go around to the house of relative who live nearby, then receive visit from them as well. The house is full of gather, louder, and little children who are excited because they get ang pao, but unfortunately I get a little because they say they have grown up. What I like the most is listening to stories from other relatives about their childhood stories full of nostalgia. And other special tradition, and beside food and friendship, there is one tradition that my family and I always do: sharing food with neighbors. We usually pack ketupat, chicken opor, and some cake to share. It feels good to be able to share the happiness of Eid with the people around us. So, guys, Eid al-Fitr is moment full of love, togetherness, and beautiful memories. Our tradition from the past until now, from making ketupat to sharing food, are a very meaningful part of my life. So thank you for listening my story. Happy Eid everyone. May your Eid al-Fitr also be full of happiness. Thank you.